Decorating a Christmas tree is a cherished holiday tradition that brings joy and festive spirit to our homes. Whether you're a seasoned decorator looking for fresh ideas or a newbie hoping to create a stunning tree for the first time, this comprehensive guide will help you transform your tree into a dazzling holiday centerpiece. We'll explore various Christmas tree decorating tips, design inspiration, and trending themes that will make your tree stand out. So, grab some hot cocoa, put on your favorite holiday playlist, and let's get started. Christmas trees have a unique ability to bring warmth, nostalgia, and holiday spirit into our homes. Originating from pagan traditions and popularized by Prince Albert and Queen Victoria in the 19th century, the Christmas tree has become a universal symbol of celebration and togetherness. Decorating your Christmas tree is an art form, a delightful expression of your personal style and holiday traditions. Each ornament you hang carries a story, and the twinkling lights create an enchanting atmosphere that warms the hearts of everyone who gazes upon it. Before you start decorating, it's crucial to choose the right tree and set it up properly. Decide whether you want a real tree with that natural fragrance or an artificial tree that can be reused for several years. Measure the available space in your home to ensure your tree fits comfortably. Consider the shape of the tree, full, slender, or pencil, based on your decorating style. Secure the tree in a sturdy stand. Water real trees regularly to prevent needle drop. Ensure the tree is away from heat sources and not blocking exits. Gather your decorating essentials to make the process smooth and enjoyable. Baubles, glass balls, and figurines come in various colors and designs. Personalized ornaments add a sentimental touch. Consider DIY ornaments for a unique look. White or multicolored lights set the foundation for your tree's glow. LED lights are energy efficient and cool to the touch. Net lights or cascading lights are great for a waterfall effect. Angels, stars, and bows are classic toppers. Get creative with unique toppers that match your theme. Hide the tree stand with a decorative skirt. Choose a skirt that complements your overall design. Add depth and texture with garlands of beads, ribbons, or popcorn. Tinsel can be used sparingly for a touch of sparkle. Ornament hooks or ribbon loops are essential for hanging decorations securely. Ensure your tree stand is stable and appropriate for the size of your tree. Now, let's dive into the fun part, choosing a decorating theme or style that suits your taste. Embrace classic red and green colors. Use ornaments like nutcrackers, gingerbread men, and snowflakes. Incorporate natural elements like pine cones and holly. Choose earthy tones and wooden decorations. Add burlap ribbons and twine for a rustic feel. Include ornaments with a farmhouse vibe. Opt for a sleek and sophisticated look. Use a limited color palette with metallic accents. Decorate sparingly for a clean, minimalist aesthetic. Bring back the charm of bygone eras. Use vintage ornaments, antique glass bulbs, and tinsel. Incorporate old family heirlooms. Let your imagination run wild with whimsical themes. Include playful ornaments like elves, fairies, and unicorns. Use vibrant, unexpected colors. Create a beachy holiday vibe. Incorporate seashells, starfish, and beach-themed ornaments. Choose a soft, ocean-inspired color palette. Craft your own ornaments and decorations. Personalize your tree with family photos or homemade crafts. Embrace imperfections for a heartfelt touch. Now, let's get hands-on with the decorating process itself. Follow these steps to create a stunning Christmas tree. If you have an artificial tree, fluff out the branches to give it a full appearance. Ensure the tree is symmetrical by adjusting the branches. Start with stringing the lights evenly from top to bottom. Weave the lights into the branches to create depth and prevent bare spots. Drape garland or tinsel diagonally for a cascading effect. Be mindful not to overwhelm the tree, less is often more. Begin with larger ornaments, placing them evenly around the tree. Fill in gaps with smaller ornaments. Step back regularly to assess balance. Carefully place the tree topper at the apex. Ensure it's secure and aligned with the tree center. Lay the tree skirt around the base to conceal the stand. Creating a stunning Christmas tree is all about attention to detail and design principles. Here are some expert tips to make your tree truly shine. Choose a standout ornament or decoration as your tree's focal point. Position it at eye level to draw attention. Maintain a harmonious color scheme throughout. Mix different shapes of ornaments, balls, stars, and figurines. Place ornaments at varying depths within the branches. Layering creates depth and dimension. Odd numbers of ornaments are visually pleasing. Consider groupings of 3 or 5 for a balanced look. Mix textures like matte, glossy, and metallic ornaments. Add texture with ribbons, garlands, and fabric elements. Scale your decorations according to the size of your tree. Larger trees can handle larger ornaments. Conceal wires and cords within the branches. Use twist ties or clips to secure them. Hang delicate or heirloom ornaments higher on the tree. Keep them away from heavy or boisterous decorations. Incorporate ornaments that represent your family's interests and hobbies. Include ornaments that have sentimental value. Stay up to date with the latest decorating trends to give your tree a fresh, modern look. Use environmentally friendly ornaments made from recycled materials. Opt for LED lights, which are energy efficient. Experiment with unconventional color palettes like pastels, jewel tones, or monochromatic schemes. Craft your own ornaments or decorations for a personal touch. Incorporate natural materials like pine cones and dried flowers. Use artificial or real flowers to add a touch of nature. Consider wreaths and garlands made from greenery. Choose trees that can also serve as coat racks or bookshelves. Maximize your space with versatile tree designs. Customize ornaments with family names, dates, or special messages. These make wonderful keepsakes. Embrace simplicity with fewer decorations and a streamlined aesthetic. Focus on quality over quantity. Celebrate your heritage with a tree that reflects your cultural traditions. Explore themed trees like a Harry Potter or Disney-inspired tree. Experiment with unconventional tree orientations. Upside-down trees are a bold and modern choice. Maintaining your tree ensures it stays beautiful throughout the holiday season. Water real trees daily to prevent drying out. Trim the trunk to improve water absorption. Keep your tree away from heat sources and direct sunlight. Use an anti-desiccant spray to lock in moisture. Safeguard your ornaments in sturdy containers to prevent breakage. Store your artificial tree in a cool, dry place. Here are some common issues and solutions when decorating your tree. Check for broken bulbs or loose connections. Start from the top and work your way down when restringing lights. Salvage any pieces that can be repaired. Invest in shatterproof ornaments if you have pets or young children. Disassemble your artificial tree carefully to avoid damaging the branches. Store it in a tree storage bag or box to protect it from dust and moisture. Traditionally, trees are taken down after the 12th night, January 6th. Dispose of real trees responsibly by recycling or mulching. Decorating a Christmas tree is more than just a seasonal task, it's a cherished tradition that brings families and friends together. Whether you prefer a classic, rustic, or trendy look, your Christmas tree is a reflection of your unique style and the holiday spirit in your home. As you embark on your tree decorating journey, remember to embrace the joy, creativity, and memories that come with it. Every ornament you hang tells a story, and every light that twinkles represents the magic of the season. So, gather your loved ones, put on some festive tunes, and let your creativity shine as you create a Christmas tree that will be the centerpiece of your holiday celebrations. Merry Christmas and happy decorating!